Vaheguru, student of 7th standard, let us start assignment 9.2 of your chapter number 9, representation of 3D in 2D. See, first MCQ, a solid figure which has no vertex and no edge is called a cone, cylinder, circle or sphere. See, cone, if we are making a shape of cone, this is a shape of cone who's having number of, see, vertex and edge. See, it is a vertex, so cone is not a shape that has no vertex. Similar way, if we are making the shape of cylinder, this is a shape of cylinder, and also cylinder having the number of edges and number of vertex. Circle also number of edges are there, vertex you can draw. And the last correct answer is sphere, which is a round shaped figure who is having no vertex and no edge. So the correct answer is sphere. Next is a figure which has 4 vertices, 6 edges and 4 faces. See, options are given here: cube, cuboid, pyramid and triangle. As we know very well, first MCQ answer is sphere, and second one is, see, if we are making a shape of cube, this is in shape of cube, and cube number of vertices. See, this is a vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So only 4 vertices we are talking about. Similar way, cuboid. Cuboid is a form of 6 rectangular faces. There are 6 rectangular faces in a rectangle form. This is a shape of cuboid whose same having 8 vertices. So this is not the correct answer. Similar way. Next, if we are talking about triangle, triangle having only 3 vertex, not 4 vertex. So the correct answer is pyramid, that has 4 vertices, 6 edges and 4 faces. Now question number second. Look at the figure and write, this is a figure and we have to write the correct answer. So the first one is, name the edges which meet in the vertex H. Name the edges. See, edge we have to write. This is an edge, D and H, H and G. This is an edge, and H and E. So first answer is those vertices, sorry, those edges which meet the vertex H, that is H and D, H and G and H and E. Second question. Second one. Name the faces which meet in the edge AB. See, which meet in the edge AB. This is an edge, face is AB and this is upside one face, A, B and C and D, and one face A, B, E and F. So two faces are there which meet the edge AB, that is A, B, C and D, A, B, E and F. See, this is an face na, upside if we are talking about. This is proper one face which having one edge, that is AB. Similar way on that side. This is also one face A, B, E and F. Now third one bache question that is given here. Name the faces which are adjacent to B, F, G and C. B, F, G and C. This one face which are adjacent. Adjacent means which are formed on the same side of a straight line, that is known as adjacent. So we have to write the number of faces. So number of faces which are adjacent to B, F, G and C, this is a third one, that is E, F, G and H, same side. So first one is E, F, G and H. Second is on same side, this one A, B, C and D. Similar way, A, B, E and F. This is also on same side on straight line. And the second one, last one is बच्चे D, C, G and H. D, C, G and H. So these are the faces which are adjacent to face this one B, F, G and C. This is face. B, F, G and C. This one face. So now next is fourth question. Name the faces which is not adjacent to A, B, C, D. Not adjacent to A, B, C, D. Upper one face. That is E, F, G and H. That is not adjacent बच्चे. Not on the same straight line. So same side. So fourth one answer is बच्चे only one face, that is E, F, G and H. Now fifth one question. Name the diagonals of cuboid. Diagonals we have to write down. See, diagonal first. A and G. This is first diagonal. Second diagonal. C and E. This is one diagonal. B and H. Third diagonal. And D and F. So there are four diagonals in that figure. So first one is A and G, C and E, B and H and D and F. Next question is let E, F, G, H as a base. Which one? E, F, G, H. This is a base. So name the other four lateral faces. So other four same lateral faces are, that is A, E, H and D. This is one lateral face, same as if this is a base. A, E, H and D. Next is B, F and G, C. This is one face. B, F, G and C. Next is D, H, G and C. This is one face lateral. D, H, G and C. And the last is A, E, F and B. A, E, F and B. Now next question, the last part of question number second. Let E, F, G, H as a base. E, F same. So name the line segment which can be considered as the height of cuboid. Height of cuboid. See, line segment. This is considered as a height. A and E. D and H. This is also considered as height. D and H. Similar way, B and F. This is also considered as height, because we know that in the cuboid shape, these is known as length, this is known as width, and this is known as height. And the last is C and G. So next question is question number third. How many number vertices and edges do the following figures have? See, this is a first one figure, vertices. Count the number of vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number of vertices are in first one figure, that is 7. If I will mark here point, but your points are no marked, so you can mark by yourself. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now number of edges. This is one edge where two vertices are meet. 1, 2, same 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Last, this is 7. So number of edges are also 7. Now second one figure. Second one figure same. These are the vertices. So number of vertices are 4 and edges are same as where 2 points, 2 vertex meet 4. So number of vertices are also 4 and edges are also 4. Now next question. Question number 4th. That is, name any 4 objects from your environment which have the form of cuboid and cylinder. Cuboid and cylinder. We have to write the name of objects. Cuboid shape like book. Cuboid shape bricks. Fridge is a shape of cuboid, same as bus, matchbox. So you can write by yourself, bache. Second one is cylinder. Also we have to write cylinder shape like pipeline or pipe. That is a shape of cylinder. Candle is also shape of cylinder. Jar is also shape of cylinder. See next, cold drinks. Cold drink can. That is also shape of cylinder. Water tanks that are also shape of cylinder. Pen also shape of cylinder. So you can write any by yourself. Now question number 5th is, there is a one figure given. We have to verify that figure by the Euler formula. Counting the total number of vertices, edges and faces in the figure that is given here. But this formula represented that number of edges, there is a relationship between the number of edges, number of vertices and faces. Relationship between edges of 3D figure, vertices and faces. So bache, it is represented in the form of V minus vertices minus edges plus faces, that is also always is equals to 2. So a relationship between the vertices, edges and faces, that is represented by the Euler's formula. So vertices minus edges, V represent as vertices, E represent as edges and F represent as faces. This formula is true for all the solid figures which we are converted by the plane faces, that is known as polyhedron. So this figure is given here of question number 5. We have to count the number of faces, number of edges and number of vertices. Afterward we have to verify this by this formula. So number of vertices, firstly we have to count. Hidden and visible number of vertices are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So total there are 10 vertices. Number of edges, total number of edges are, see who's joining the two vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 15 edges are there. And faces, we count in the number of faces. There are 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one is 7. So total number of faces are 7. So by this formula, that is V minus E plus F, that is equals to 2. Vertices that are 10 minus edges are 15 plus face is 7. So 10 minus 15, that is minus 5. Why I written minus 5? Because greater number having negative sign, so plus 7, plus minus minus 7 minus 5 2. So as we know, vertices minus edges plus faces, that is always is equals to number 2. So this is the answer. So here your 9.2 assignment is completed.